That don't smell like dirty clothes.
What do you mean? I'm about to show you. They've been sitting in there for months and months and months and months and months.
You got to open that up all the way. What is that?
Huh?
What is that?
Dirty thing?
No. Open, pull it out. What the f? Get the f in! Push your hands up!
What's ready to it's about Terry Vlogs, and we're back with another reaction video for you guys. Today's video, people, cops discovers bodies in woman's trunk during a traffic stop. Normally videos like this, people, I'll just watch it, you feel me? But it's like I've been contemplating what to do with this channel right here. I do have another reaction channel, but I react to Caribbean music on that channel. But over here, these are videos I always normally watch, you know, scrolling and just watch it. And I'm like, why not watch these videos with y'all? I already do reactions, why not just react with y'all so I can get my first time reactions on this video right here. So let's talk. If y'all like the reactions, drop down below, let me know if you want me to react to some more videos like this. Like the video, drop a comment, subscribe to the channel. Let's see if I can get to 100k subscribers. We don't know. Let's go though. Let's see how this video goes. I don't know what to expect. It caught me based off what it said, so let's see.
That don't smell like dirty clothes.
What do you mean? I'm about to show you. They've been sitting in there for months and months and months and months and months.
You got to open that up all the way. What is that?
Huh?
What is that?
Dirty thing?
No. Open, pull it out. What the f? Get the f in! Push your hands up!
What begins as a routine traffic stop takes a horrifying turn when officers...
So you meant to tell, why is she running like... For a second I thought she didn't know what the hell was in the bag or in the car. But she took off. Oh, wow, no.
What begins as a routine traffic stop takes a horrifying turn when officers detect a strange, putrid smell coming from the vehicle.
Okay.
The search that follows uncovers a secret so disturbing it defies belief, leaving multiple officers visibly shaken, physically ill, and utterly enraged by one of the most vile discoveries ever made.
Listen, I need you to calm down. I need you to calm down. I need you to focus. Listen, calm down.
We need to verify. We don't know what this is.
Bro, look, is this like it's so deceased that you can't even make out how long or who it? What is going on at this point?
I need you to focus. Listen, calm down.
We need to verify. We don't know what this is.
Oh,
Jesus Christ.
The following is based on official police records, and most of the footage has never been seen before until now. In Essex, Maryland, just after 11 p.m. on July 28, 2021, an officer with the Baltimore County Police Department approaches a vehicle for a traffic stop.
How you doing? All right, you got your license and registration on you? Well, you know why I pulled you over? You know what the speed limit is?
No.
Okay. Speed limit is 35.
Oh.
And you was doing well over it.
Oh, I'm sorry. I swear I only thought I was going 40.
The driver, 33-year-old Nicole Michelle Johnson, hands over a state ID. Sitting beside her in the front seat is a friend who she calls BB. The officer heads back to his cruiser to run a registration, but the information doesn't quite check out.
Playback vehicle requested not found or on file.
Simple. So you don't have a driver license?
So you can't find her. It's a fake driver's license, I'm assuming, or ID, right? Then the speeding. Imagine getting pulled up for speeding and then end up turning and finding a dead body in your car. Wow.
No.
Okay. And also, this vehicle is not even registered. Those tags in there are fake tags. This car has to be towed.
Can I get my stuff out of it?
Yeah, you get everything out of it, but how long did you have this car?
Probably like almost 30 days.
As the officer returns to his cruiser to issue citations, Nicole and BB exit the vehicle. Nicole walks to the rear and opens the trunk, revealing several large bags tightly packed inside.
Ms. Johnson, you come over here. So you got pulled over for the same stuff already.
But that's why I went, and I really thought I got good tags.
You gotta be careful with that.
Like, come on. I live in a state where I see people post on Instagram all the time, like, yo, who can make some tags, who got fake tags, plugs. Like, you know what you're doing. Come on, girl. Come on. Cop is not giving you the time of the day right now. I'm sorry. Let's go, though.
I know.
Stuff off the internet and all that kind of stuff like that. Stuff that don't even be legit.
Like, you literally see, like, we literally, well, not her, but me and my kids literally living in the car. Like,
Ms. Johnson, I just need you to sign this. This is basically telling you that you had to go to Kelso Drive Courthouse within 5 days to request a court date. If you don't request a court date within 5 days, they can issue a warrant for your arrest. This is not meant to guilt.
Be here in 5 days. I swear to God. Because they last day, like I can't go through anymore. Like
Can you just take me home, please?
I can't.
I can't take you. It's in the city. I can't go down there. There you go. This is not meant to guilt or just anything like that. Just basically saying
I'm
like.
telling you, it's cool. I won't be here tomorrow. Tonight is my last night. What am I going to do? Like I swear to
No, I still got to do my job and try to explain to you.
I know, but I'm just saying.
So what I'm just
I'm
explaining.
not even talking about in Baltimore. Watch tomorrow, y'all are gonna see me on the news. Y'all are gonna see me make my big debut. I swear to God.
The officer has no
Bro, oh my gosh. Why do I feel like it's like, wow. She knew what's gonna happen. Yeah, she said? It's like she knew what's gonna happen, y'all. She knew what's gonna happen.
See me make my big debut. I swear to God.
The officer has no idea her bizarre comment will soon become a shocking reality. With a tow truck on its way, Nicole sits on the sidewalk and calls a friend for a ride.
You want to grab a couple of your things?
Yes, please.
Go ahead. Go ahead and do what you gotta do. I'm gonna do an inventory search of your car once you finish taking out what you want to take out.
What's the inventory?
So inventory search is when I go through your car. For instance, say like you had $15,000 in the trunk of this car right now, and you're taking it to it and it's gone.
Yo, I'm in the middle of nowhere, and they taking my car. I gotta take all my stuff out because you know I don't have anything. So if I lose this is all I got. Y'all keep asking me to move on. Y'all keep telling me one more day. Y'all keep saying everything will get better. Y'all keep saying this, it can't get no worse, it can't get. And y'all keep saying find the light, find the light, find the light. Where's the light, yo? Like where is the light? Like where is the light, yo? Like where? Like where? You like inspirational conversations? Here we go, yo. Here we go.
Right here, y'all. Right here, I feel what she's saying. You feel me? Like people always trying to motivate us, give us motivation. Say, oh, everything's gonna be okay. You feel me? Oh, God's gonna find a way. But it's like you saying all this, but like we don't see it. That's why, like me personally, y'all, I don't like motivational speakers or no one trying to motivate me to do something. Like people say, oh, I went through this. I had to go through all this stuff to get to where I'm at. Yes, that's your path. That was your vision. That's how I look at it. That's your path. That's your vision. That was your struggle. We not in the same situation. I'm not going to go through the same stuff that you went through to get to where I need to get to in life. That's how I look at it. That's why I don't really like motivational speakers. Yes, I would listen and all that stuff. But like I feel what she's saying right here, y'all can like it's gonna work out and all that stuff. Like I low-key feel bad for her because I don't know her situation right now. But we're just gonna keep watching, y'all. Keep watching.
I can't take no more. Like I really can't take no more.
When backup arrives at the scene, the officer taps his colleague on the arm and quietly shares that something is very wrong.
Come in for a second.
I'll push it. Yeah, hold up a minute.
Eric, do me a favor. Walk over to the car and just see what you smell. Not drugs or anything, but see if you smell anything other than drugs. Or something dead or something. Put your head in. No, seriously. I just need to find. I need to know.
I told you it was straight.
What is this right here?
Huh?
What is this?
A bunch of dirty clothes. A bunch of dirty clothes.
That don't smell like dirty clothes.
Huh?
That don't smell like dirty clothes.
What do you mean? I'm about to show you. I'm about to show you. I'm about to show you right now. There's a bunch of dirty blankets. Well, this been sitting in there for months and months and months and months and months.
You gonna have to, ma'am, I'm honest, you gonna have to open that up all the way.
Hey, y'all realize how she stopped crying and she just like got hella serious when they getting called onto her. But guess what though? She did say it's gonna be a big debut tomorrow. Let's go.
I'm about to open it up all the way.
Yeah, you gonna have to open it up all the way for me.
Bugs and stuff all over it and everything. Because it's bugs and stuff over it and everything.
I know, but I don't know what it is though.
The stench is unmistakable, but finding the source of the smell is easier said than done, as whatever is inside is buried beneath endless layers of plastic trash bags.
Literally ripping through all the veins so we can see all the dirty stuff. I don't think that a guilty person would be doing it like this, bro. If I take all my stuff out, where am I gonna?
I just need this right here is is drawing my attention to it, so I'm gonna have to. I need to see it.
If it's
I know.
just feel it.
That's why I'm trying to show you.
No.
I'm with you.
What happened?
No, I'm just telling, giving him some advice.
Okay. I'm telling you, you're just gonna find a bunch of dirty blankets.
Yeah, but I need this. I need to know what that smell is.
I am. I'm about to show you.
Nicole turns to the officer for help, and he carefully begins cutting through the thick layers with a knife.
You gotta get all the way through to the dirty pissy clothes.
Why you got all these blankets?
Huh?
Why you got all these blankets?
Because we stay in hotels, from the hotel to the car. Like, I can even get the hotel.
No. You can finish it. I was just curious.
Oh, yeah, I can even get to the hotel receipt for you.
Okay.
They want
You ain't got to go through that. I was just curious.
keep finding blankets.
I ain't got one blanket. Keep finding.
Oh, you can keep finding them.
What?
You see them right there as soon as you open the suit. Huh?
Keep finding plastic.
Oh, yeah, because as soon as you open it, you gonna find them.
Let's stand on the front of this car and make sure she don't go nowhere.
After cutting through multiple layers of trash bags, officers finally uncover a black suitcase.
Just open the suitcase and we can be good after that.
There'll be more blankets still. Can you cut it from here?
Can you cut it one more time?
And this is what smells, Rita.
What is that?
Huh?
What is that?
Dirty thing?
No. Open. Pull it out. Pull it.
Dirty thing from my husband.
Pull the whole bag out.
I am. My husband just saying the dirty blankets from my husband. I am. See?
Take it out.
Take the bag out.
Take that bag out of there.
I am.
Okay. Pull that bag out. There you go. Open that bag up.
All pissy clothes. All pissy clothes. See? Pissy clothes. All pissy clothes.
Open it up, ma'am.
I did it.
Unroll the whole thing.
What? Open that up. Open that up. What the f? Get the f in! Put your hands up! Don't you Turn over! Turn over right now! You're under arrest! Don't you move! Don't you move! Put your hands.
I don't even know how to react to this right now, y'all. What the hell? And is it like a body part? What is going on? Yo.
Behind your back. Put your hands behind your back.
What I do?
What the f?
It's not mine.
What the f? What the f?
What I do? What I do?
Give me your other hand! Now!
1110 direct Eastern Boulevard and Wagner's Lane. Stay at
I don't want to hear it! I don't want to hear it! Get up! On your feet! Roll over! Sit on your butt! Stand up!
Deviation on the channel.
We don't need that.
Don't need that. We got 2 in custody right now, but we need a super.
Please don't. No, please
I
don't.
swear to God, if you move, so help me!
Please not arrest her. Please don't arrest her. She don't have anything to do with nothing.
On that.
She really don't have anything to do with nothing. I will give y'all every name
2357.
to everybody.
I don't want to hear it.
Please don't arrest her.
Every name to everybody? OMG. What the actual hell is going on right now, y'all? This is next level. This is next level.
With both women in custody, the officers struggle to process the horror they've just witnessed.
No, stay. Hey, no. Calm down. Calm down. Relax.
Back up.
Have her sit down.
Sit down. Sit down. I am.
Relax.
Excuse me.
You relax.
BB, just relax, BB.
Keep your mouth closed. I didn't give you permission to talk. Sit down and be quiet. You okay?
I'm trying, man.
You okay? No. Listen, I need you to calm down. I need you to calm down. I'm trying. No, I need you to focus. Listen, calm down. I need you to focus. Focus on her. Hey, get over there with her. Put your mask on.
Hey, I ain't gonna lie. Y'all know it's crazy to the point where this is a police officer acting. The one who's like, can't control himself right now. Who the other officer tells to calm down. Like, listen. That must have been an ugly sight for a cop to be acting like that. Because, cops see bodies all the time. But Listen, y'all, I'm not gonna make a long video. So I've never ever done a reaction video like this before. But like, if y'all really, interested or intrigued in this video, I'll put a link to the full video down below in the description so you can go watch it for yourself. But based on the feedback I get from this video, I'll do more, and I'll make the full length video. As you can see, this video is 49 minutes long. I feel sit here for an hour for y'all and press to edit this. So I'm gonna do this, post this for y'all right now. I'll put a link down below so y'all can watch the full video, because I want to hear what she got to say about everything, right? Me too, I ain't gonna lie. But I'm gonna watch that for y'all. Click the link, y'all go watch the full video down below in the description. Peace out.